Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over now with you guys on Lucid Motors. What exact levels are we trying to hold above to make sure we do not continue to sell off? What exact indicators would give us confirmation on the continuation from here? Again, Lucid Motors holding up pretty strong. Had a major spike last week, looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum. I'm going to go over all this with you guys. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's get into this one. So I'm going to go to Lucid Motors with you guys here on the forward chart so you guys can see what's going to have to happen for us to continue on up. Again, we did have this major spike previously, and as you guys can see, we did have this little bit of a gap down, and we did hold up going to today. We did bounce off, looking to see if we can respect this 20-day average, but however, I'm going to go on the 1 hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for as far as continuation. Now, I do want to mention before we do get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We did mention RWOK just now going to extended hours from $1.40 on their FD News Award, all the way up to $1.94 going to extended hours, over 30% on that breakout. And we also had a major breakout with EVAX yesterday going to extended hours from $15, jumping all the way up to $50 going to extended hours, over 200% on that breakout. And we also mentioned FATBB today holds it at $14, jumping out all the way to $24 on the day, over 50% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on Lucid Motors, we had that major spike previously all the way up to 41.55. Looking to see if we can continue on past that. As you guys can see, we are bouncing just here right below the 20-day average, but however, bouncing off the 20-day average on the 4 hour chart. Looking to see if we can continue on past our previous rejections that we kept having to the upside. Had this gap down from those rejections to the upside. And as you guys can see going to today, we are testing that exact rejection to the upside before we did have that gap down. So holding $40 is very key for us here on Lucid Motors. Now jumping back to the 4 hour chart so you guys can see what our overall momentum does look like. As you guys can see on the 4 hour chart, we have our previous major breakout here on cciv. Again, the SPAC that was Lucid Motors before Lucid Motors did go public at 65. Looking to see if we can continue on past that previous major breakout point. And as you guys can see, we have overall been consolidating since we did go public with Lucid Motors. And as you guys can see, we had our continuation breakout here where we are getting rejected exactly at about $40. Looking to see if we can continue on past that continuation that we did have previously. Now, one thing I really do like about Lucid Motors is not only do we have the 20-day average still above the 50 here, showing us that we could continue, but we also do have the EMA line still above the MACD here. As you guys can see, we have been decreasing in buy pressure as we did have a little bit of a cool down as we did have a major spike on Lucid Motors that we have not had since IPO. So again, having that decrease in buy pressure is very natural here on Lucid Motors. But to get that continuation here, we are looking to see if we can continue and increase in buy pressure. Now, we do not need to break above our previous buy pressure point to have a continuation here. But what we do need is to break above our previous buy pressure point to get confirmation on a major breakout here with Lucid Motors. So I would be looking to see if we can break above this previous buy pressure point to get that major gap up and strong momentum. But however, again, we could hold for $40 and have that increase in buy pressure going to tomorrow, breaking above our previous buy pressure point that we did have on that continuation and confirmation here on Lucid Motors on that major breakout is what I'll be looking for. So again, setting my alert here right above this previous buy pressure point that we did have confirmation breaking above previously is what I would want to happen to hold that $40 mark and possibly have a gap up here. 265 is exactly what we're looking for. And again, to get that confirmation on that momentum, making sure we do break above our momentum that we did have on that spike all the way up to 41.55 here on Lucid Motors is exactly what we'll be looking for here. So going into tomorrow, we will be looking to see if we can reclaim $40 and hold above it and get that confirmation, making sure we do break into new highs, of course, over 41.55. Now, if we do respect $40 as a support and we do continue on past 41.55, then we could have a gap up, looking to see if we can respect this previous rejection that we did have to the downside exactly at 53.81 is what I would be looking for. So again, 53.81 is a very key resistance that we do need to make sure we do hold above if we do gap up here from 41.55. But however, Lucid Motors, again, making sure we can hold $40 is going to be very key. If we do not hold $40, then we could come back down and possibly continue on down. Again, the market very choppy. Not exactly many follow-throughs here in the market, but again, Lucid Motors is definitely one of the very few stocks that have been holding it pretty strong. So I want to make sure we do cover this one. So again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, and everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys. And again, if you do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.